I feel incredibly grateful to be selected for the Open Oceans programme. Without this grant I wouldn't be able to do this, so yeah, it means a lot to be able to get this chance and learn so much. Yeah, I'm really grateful.
When I saw the Open Oceans programme, I thought it was an opportunity that was too good to be true. Sailing is something that I wanted to do for such a long time. It looked like something that was out of my reach. The fact that the Open Oceans programme was sailing around Scotland and especially the west coast, and I've heard so many good things about the west coast of Scotland.
I'm most looking forward to exploring the water and seeing all the land from the sea. Hopefully see a lot of wildlife, lots of birds, cetaceans. That'll be amazing. And also just get along with the crew and that kind of camaraderie on board. I'm really new to sailing. I've only just learned the basics less than a month ago, so I'll be putting all this newfound knowledge to practice, and yeah, I'm just really excited to learn from such an experienced cruise.
I'm actually really looking forward to being out on the yacht in the open ocean, feeling the wind on myself as we're sailing through, waves crashing, and seeing all of that, seeing a whole new world which I haven't seen before. Only just started to learn to sail in a dinghy, and so being in a boat this big, I am kind of worried about walking around the deck, and my biggest fear is falling in, and that's probably something that I'm going to have to overcome whilst I'm walking around.
Seeing all these different islands in Scotland and getting the chance to explore when we go to different marinas and anchorages.
I've learned so much, and we saw the other day, we saw puffins in the water, and we also saw some seals and some otters and some minke whales, and that day the sun was out and the blue water was great to look at. Yeah, do you know what, I didn't really know what to expect before I came, but I love it.
So the gill gear's been brilliant so far. We've had some showers and it's kept me dry. I really like the cuffs because you can tighten them so water doesn't run down your sleeves, which is something I've not had in other waterproof jackets, so it's brilliant, especially when you're working with lines.
So, do you know what? It's amazing to be at the helm of the Big Blue. It just feels so good to actually be controlling the movements of the boat and the direction in which they're going.
east coast of Skye just now, and we're heading north on our way to Tarbert.
So I really need something that has Velcro across the wrists, so that then I can kind of make it smaller and make it fit my arms, which is amazing. And also, as someone with short legs, like I'm 5'1", the trousers themselves can be quite long, but with the Velcro at the bottom, I can shorten them and tighten them around the boots.
So yesterday we seen an otter as we were sailing, and when we got to Raasay, there was actually some otters swimming around in the bay, which was amazing to see. We've seen a lot of auks this trip so far, and I've got my fingers crossed for some cetaceans. We are off the coast of Lewis on our way to Loch Shell. Pretty cloudy, but fortunately there's enough wind so we can get the sails up. And the sun's just come out.
To continue sailing. I start my level 1, level 2 dinghy sailing next week, and I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, so if you're thinking about joining a sailing trip with Wavysail, then don't think twice about it, just do it. It's an amazing experience, everyone's really friendly. Don't have any experience, everyone will look after you.
Some of the trip highlights were seeing minke whales coming up right in front of the bow, going to the Shant Islands, being surrounded by puffins, we had dolphins, sunsets, going to all these different villages, and yeah, seeing more of Scotland than I've seen in a long time. I would strongly recommend anyone who's thinking of applying to Open Oceans or Wavysails to go ahead and go for it, because you won't regret it. You'll learn a lot and you'll see an amazing part of the world.
I'm Wavy from Wavysail, and welcome to cold and blustery Scotland. We have just completed our trip with the Open Oceans candidates. We started in Oban and sailed all the way up to Stornoway here on the Isle of Lewis. It was a huge success. The trip was wonderful, and our partnership with Gill and the foul weather gear really did come in use with all the rain and the water we had. The two girls absolutely thoroughly enjoyed their trip. So all in all, a fantastic success. Looking forward to next year's.